In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can reset and restore to default settings here in Windows 10. Now, if you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. To get started, what you're going to want to do is actually find the little start menu down here and select it. And then from here, go ahead and open up your settings. Now in this section, specifically look for the update and security option on here. It should be in your system tab if you don't see it. And then from here, you'll see update and recovery. Open that up, and under the reset this PC option, you're going to want to go ahead and select it or hit get started. And it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. And you're going to see two options: keep my files or remove everything. If you want to restore Windows back to its default settings while keeping your personal files, obviously choose keep my files. But if you do want to do a full factory reset, select remove everything instead. For this example though, I'm going to choose keep my files. So go ahead and select that. And from here, you'll be asked how you want to go ahead and reinstall Windows. You can choose a local reinstall or a cloud download if you want the latest version of Windows downloaded directly from Microsoft. Choose whatever you want to go ahead and do. Now review your reset settings and just make sure everything does look correct for you. You can toggle some stuff off, toggle it on. It's really up to you. But whenever you're ready, go ahead and click reset down in the bottom right to begin, and your PC will restart and the reset progress will begin. Now this can take some time, so make sure that your computer stays powered on throughout the entire process. Whenever it is finished though, your Windows PC will be successfully reset and restored back to default settings. Now, if this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.